Hey, welcome everybody to the October issue of our quarterly Trackunit product roadmap update. I am Martin Roth here with Dave Swan, our VP of Product. Welcome, Dave, for this fine fall day.
How are you doing, Martin?
I am doing really well. So I'm welcoming our customers as usual to participate in our journey. We have our public-facing product portal roadmap, and today we'll cover a few topics on what we're working on now and what's coming up for Trackunit. Last month, Dave, we saw a huge announcement for Iris X, and I wanted to explore that a little bit with you today. From what I understand, this is an industry cloud platform, and it's really enabling the industry to go places where they haven't been before in terms of creating enterprise-class solutions that are built on top of a platform. So tell us how we're solving a problem for the industry here.
Absolutely. And what's really special about this platform offering is you called it an industry cloud platform. And what that means is that we're taking data categories, we're taking capabilities and different platform constructs that are tailored specifically to our industry and what we need to do, what we need to accomplish from a digital standpoint. And so this allows our customers to take their amazing foundation of machine data and data from other systems, combine them on a secure and scalable industry cloud platform, and then build solutions on top of them that are customized specifically to their use cases. So this is something that we've implicitly seen a request for a long time, and we're in a great place now to provide this capability to answer a lot of the challenges around the sort of idiosyncrasy of construction and all the different customization and different directions we need to head in at once.
So Dave, we launched Specialty Equipment Solutions last month also. So we did have that on deck, but now it's out there. Just remind us again what problems this solves for customers and how they can take advantage of the solution.
Yeah, so specialty equipment makes up a huge part of the construction rental fleet. And this is equipment like generators, like pumps, that actually supports critical functionality and supporting sites. And especially heading into the winter months, these are pieces of equipment that go into heavier usage in the northern parts of the world. And what we're able to do with our specialty equipment solution is extract this critical data from these machines and provide insights and all the same functionality that you'd expect from other powered machinery and deliver it into our customers' digital business processes so that they can action that data in their business operations.
Yeah, so completing the mixed fleet, and I will say I'll add on to the northern sort of situation and just say, unfortunately, they're heavily deployed in disaster relief situations. So it would be very fortunate to have your critical machines set up and ready to go for those types of situations so you can operate effectively. So for Trackunit Manager, Dave, over time, we've been gathering a lot of customer feedback through different channels and through our product portal. So I understand we've made some changes to the user experience. So tell us a little bit about what we're working on to enhance that.
Yeah, so this really represents the next big iteration of Trackunit Manager. And what we're working on is really a simplification to allow our customers to access the value they're after in the fewest amount of clicks possible, and really create an intuitive and fluid user interface that creates the shortest possible time to value and efficiency for our customers.
Right, and also last month we mentioned our inspections add-on for access management, and I know we're still working on that. I know there's some early adopter trials going on right now, but tell us a little bit more again around what inspections unlocks in terms of access management suite of solutions.
Yeah, so this is a process that's happening on paper right now everywhere in the construction industry. And this is the idea that there's multiple places throughout the sort of life cycle of equipment and the daily and weekly and monthly operations of a piece of equipment where it needs to be inspected before usage or before deployment. And ultimately, this is made slower, inefficient, and people are less accountable to a paper process. And so what we've done is we've created a tool to digitize this, and then we've taken it a step farther and said, now that we can track these inspections digitally, we can actually integrate them into the access management capability and make them a criteria for being able to access a machine, whether or not I've successfully completed the inspection for that machine or not.
So what's next in emissions reporting? I see something about OEM verified. What does that mean?
Absolutely. So, as you know, Martin, we've got a large group of Works with OEM partners, and these are OEMs that use Trackunit to partner to create their digital products and solutions for their customers. And what we want to make sure is that as we're providing these industry driving emissions reporting, that we're utilizing the expertise and the engineering knowledge from our OEMs and allowing them to define the best possible emissions factor for their machines, so that whenever there's a Works with partner available, that you're getting the absolute highest quality and OEM defined emissions factor in your emissions reporting, which is becoming a very important tool for most of our customers.
It sounds like an awesome enhancement on the way to an ever evolving sort of data quality score, as we call it now in the product. So very cool.
It is.
All right, so we invite anybody to comment on our cards. There'll be a link at the end. So we welcome your inputs. And thank you again, Dave, for another great session. And we'll see you probably before the end of the year to wish everybody a happy new year and give a final update for 2024. So thanks again.
Thank you, Martin.
Take care.